வெல்கம் டு RGR Academy யூடியூப் சேனல். ஃபர்ஸ்ட் டைம் நம்ம சேனலை பார்க்குறீங்கன்னா சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்க, வீடியோஸை லைக் பண்ணுங்க, ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ்க்கு ஷேர் பண்ணுங்க. இன்னைக்கு என்ன வீடியோன்றதை பார்க்கலாமா? Repeaters batch NEET 2021 online and offline classes admissions on at RGR Academy. Admissions contact 86951 86953.
Hello, welcome to you all. I am Rani John on behalf of our RGR Academy. I am one of the faculties there, and our academy is mainly focusing on preparing you for NEET and helping the children in all the cadre to approach the NEET exam. And I have to mention, our institute is well known. It has been running for so many years, and all the faculties are well experienced, and more than 2 decades all of them are experienced. More important than that is their sincere attitude towards the work they carry on. Particularly, our head of the institution is focused only on preparing the kids, not under any monetary benefit or economic reap. So now what we are wanting to tell you, how are we going to help you out in approaching the NEET? You should know, you would have been appeared for the NEET exam for so many times, and your score may be good or low or unexpected, but your approach should be in a proper direction. That is, so far as NEET concerned, the questionnaire concerned, you should be thorough with the study material. That's the first requisite. Second, mainly, how to approach it. The pattern of the questionnaire you should know. Now, if you have experience in this, you would have approached only once or twice. We, being faculties, have gone through the NEET papers for a few years, and last 3-4 years, a regular pattern it goes is in 4 slots. See, first slot, first type of questions will be direct multiple choice, easy for you to pick up, just only one option, you can easily write it. Second pattern is diagram, and biology is without diagram is dead. So you should be thorough with the diagrams in the textbook given, and the labeling, and a practice in that is necessary. And the questionnaire based on diagram will be muddling up to the last quite a long time. That is, in a sense, they may give a diagram and proper labeling. One part will be mislabeled and you have to find out, or they will draw the diagram, just leave you without any labeling and ask you to label. So the question regarding the diagram can go in any manner. So diagrams you have to be thorough. Third pattern of questioning is match the following. Certain chapters you have got quite a lot to match, and match the following is one thing. That is, you know very well, section A, B, C, sometimes 3 columns will be there, sometimes 2 columns will be there. 2 column is easy. One side it will be alphabet, another side numerical. So A matches is 3, B matches is 5, like that you can pick up. That's one pattern. Another pattern, 3 column, they will have 3 options given. You have to fix the first column, second column, as well as the third column. That is a little bit tricky in a sense. You may correctly fix in the first and 2, but the third column will be somewhere else. What I mean by that is, first column will be A, second is a numerical, third column another Roman letter. So A, Arabic letter 1 and Roman letter 5. So you have to be thorough with the match the following. Certain chapters, quite a lot is there in biology. Every chapter we can pick up, but certain chapters it is well oriented there. And lastly, you have got the toughest of the lot is the statement questions. Statement questions, you should read your command of language is important. Second, your thorough reading in the textbook is important. And thirdly, analyzing the statement. Simply you cannot read and pick up what looks like a correct answer. So statement question is a question invariably, even in the last NEET exam, our highest scorer, that child also, she didn't want to lose the marks, so they left out the statement questions. So statement questions, different statements will be given. The statements will be very lucrative. That is, it will be shading. It looks like it's exactly like the previous one, it's right answer. So you need your judgment there, slow reading, repeated reading, judgment. So these are the 4 major slots the questionnaire is prepared. but it won't be given set by, that is first 1 to 10 match the following, 11 to 20 diagram, not like that way. It will be spread out, completely mixed out throughout the whole paper. So you have to develop your skill in multiple choice, match the following, diagram, statement. Why we are preparing, we are there to help you out in that. So more than you are teaching in the textbook, which you must be doing in your school as well as in your center, and you can do it by yourself. The reading in the textbook, it is between lines. I hope you know what you mean by reading in between the lines. There will be meanings hidden between. That's what you mean by read between the lines, they'll say. The pakka wording will not be there. Between two lines there will be a meaning. That is how you have to read your textbook. Best way to read your textbook, keep a notebook, word by word, paragraph by paragraph, write down the questions. So you will be confident you are thorough with the textbook material. So after you are thorough with the textbook material, you will be focused. We are going to throw these types of questions for your practicing. Diagram, you have to practice yourself. If you don't know, we will help you how to get the diagrammatic section. See, photograph is in your textbook, but parts will be shown only the diagrammatic sketch. So you should know diagrammatic sketch to understand the photograph or picture plate in your textbook. So we are wanting to train you in these levels, help you out. It's not, you are not expecting anything. We are throwing it to your choice. You want to get benefited out of that. We are going to give you, we have planned to give you with our head of the institution and the faculties. We are wanting to give you different questionnaires for your revision mainly. The more and more question papers you attempt, the more and more different statements you read, then only your head will be clear. It's only a juggling of words. NEET is nothing but juggling of the words in the textbook. You should know it will not go out of your textbook, definitely. But say 180 questions are there, at least on 10 questions they'll test your talent, your knowledge. So you should know out of the way also, but it won't go beyond. They won't ask you for a college level. But you know very well, the standard in your 12th is equivalent to first year college. So you should prepare yourself, keep your head open to different outside informations also. So we are there to help you out in that. That is what we have planned. That is mainly more than teaching. If there is, we have teaching session also, explanation session also, certain chapters, like if you know biology, there are a genetics chapter, it needs quite some time to understand, and biotechnology, the latest fancy in the scientific world. So those chapters are dealt by our expert faculties. They will, if we will have some session in that, if you are interested, you can see. But these questionnaire, we are giving it for the benefit of the students who are appearing for NEET. So you can get a practice in the mixing up of these 4 types of question paper. So this is mainly not any personal benefit, not any monetary benefit, just the good heart of helping children of every cadre to face the wonderful NEET. I hope we will make use of our institution. Thank you. Bye.
நம்ம சேனலுக்கு இது வரைக்கும் நீங்கள் சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணலன்னா இமிடியேட்டாக சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்கள். நம்ம வீடியோஸ் பிடிச்சிருந்தா லைக் பண்ணுங்கள், உங்கள் ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸுக்கு ஷேர் பண்ணுங்கள்.